All right, so I'm trying to track down a massive exhaust leak in my 71 F250 that I picked up for free on Facebook Marketplace. So this thing is made by Autool, and this thing looks and feels like something from like the 1950s and 60s, some hospital instrument or like a radiation detector. It's kind of cool looking. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna turn it back off. So now let's go ahead and shove it into the tailpipe. Let's just do the bottom one here first. And there we go. Now it's coming in through all the orifices on the exhaust manifold there. It looks almost like a chimney. So if you guys want to see more of us tinkering around on our 71 F250 project, we got a lot of stuff going on here, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below to catch all the updates. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.